to Super Bowl 50-10, the season finale of the Mahabharata Fundu League. Let's see what adjustments the Kauravas and Pandavas have made for the second half.
Well, Duryodhan, the first half went pretty well for the Kauravas, in spite of some ups and downs of the field of play. What do you plan in the second half?
Okay, our strategy is to...
Duryodhan, I have a request for you. Okay, being on the Pandava sideline, it was tough time for me. And I expect these guys to bet Draupadi the next time. I would like to play the Dushashan role here.
Okay, I agree.
Okay, an interesting substitution on the Kauravas side. Bhim is going to play in Dushasan's position. And now let's see what adjustments the Pandavas have made. Oh my goodness! The Pandavas have benched Yudhishthir and Panchali is going to play in his place. Or should we refer to you now as Charchali now that Bhim has walked over to the other side? I don't care. Okay, Charchali, who or what are you going to bet at the beginning of the third quarter?
मुझे तो लगाया नहीं, पर मैं नहीं छोड़ूंगी, मैं युधिष्ठिर को दांव पे लगाऊंगी।
Whoa, this is getting highly interesting.
Holy cow, are you kidding?
Don't worry, lock कर दो।
Okay, so what are the Kauravas going to bet on this round?
Okay, I bet the self-paid trip to Las Vegas.
Okay, so it is Yudhishthir on this side, a self-paid trip to Las Vegas on the other side. The Kauravas actually have made an art form of betting stuff that have no real value. Best in the business. Okay, are we ready to go? We are ready for kickoff here. 3, 2, 1, go! And it's a forehand thrust again. But I see a fine leg lance, actually much more than a leg lance. And it is over the wicket, round the wicket, all over the wicket, and oh! That is the end of this round, and let's find out what is the result.
Yeah, this round is very tough one. I think Kauravas after the Panjali, but the winner is, I think, yes, Kauravas.
Kauravas win again! And Bhim playing in Dushasan's position now has to fill Dushasan's core competency and he has to proceed, you know what, with Yudhishthir.
No! I can't do the hand of my brother. This is supposed to be Draupadi. Get Draupadi on stage, else I'm quitting this game.
Kauravas are really confused. They have called a timeout and they are huddling. And let's find out what they are up to and how they react to this unexpected development.
We concede.
The Kauravas have conceded this round. And would you believe it? They do not know the rules of the league this year. If you concede a round, you are also assessed a technical foul. And the game is tied. Hastinapur Kauravas 2, Indraprastha Pandavas 2 as we reach the end of regulation. And we go into overtime. Overtime is going to be a one-on-one battle with weapons of mass destruction. Representing the Pandavas is going to be Arjuna. Representing the Kauravas is going to be Karna. So here we go. Are we ready to go, ladies and gentlemen? Start of overtime. This is sudden death. Obviously, whoever gets hit with a weapon of mass destruction is going to die. So it is going to be sudden death. So here we go. First shot taken by Arjuna. We go. This is... Oh, the arrow is going. Arrow has been launched. Arrow is on its way. And Karna ducks under it. No harm, no foul. And it is now Karna's turn to try and destroy Arjuna. There is only one bat to go around for this overtime. So the bat is exchanged. The arrow is now going to go the other way. Karna is on his way. The arrow is launched. The arrow is going in slow motion, now fast motion, and it is going just above Arjuna. And there is some extracurricular activity going on. Mama Shakuni, the head coach, and the umpire is choosing Draupadi. And there is a lot of commotion, ladies and gentlemen. gentlemen, we come back to you after a short commercial break and tell you what is going on. Ladies and gentlemen, we have had the greatest upset in the history of all sports. After 5,009 consecutive defeats, the Indraprastha Pandavas have finally won their first Super Bowl. The Kauravas have all been ejected for physical and mental abuse of their opponents. In fact, this is also the first time in history that an officiating umpire has also been ejected. So, after 5,009 unsuccessful attempts, the Super Bowl 5010 goes to the Indraprastha Pandavas. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. We enjoyed bringing it to you. This has been a presentation of KBS Sports.
Kids